Just like the machine that you use in your home, his job is to clean. He's much bigger though, yeah, he can suck up this junk with his high suction hose. It looks like a trunk, yeah, like an elephant nose, just like an elephant nose. So swing, swing your hose like an elephant trunk, or swing that trunk. Clean up the road, suck up all of the junk. Clean up, swing back and forth, and with any luck, you'll clean up like a vacuum truck. He drives down the road, finding trash to clean up. He moves oh so slowly, he's not in a rush. He works by controls that look almost the same as the kind you use playing a video game, just like a video game. So swing, swing your hose like an elephant trunk, or swing that trunk. Clean up the road, suck up all of the junk. Clean up, swing back and forth, and with any luck, you'll clean up like a vacuum truck. Let's hear you do it, like the sound that he makes. A whoosh or a shoosh, it's all that it takes. And we'll watch him as he works. He'll leave us all on. He's got enough power to suck up a dirt clod. Yeah, a big dirt clod. Wow, that's a huge dirt clod. Well, that's just impressive. So, swing, swing your hose like an elephant trunk, or swing that trunk. Clean up the